How to make pastry, your step-by-step guide to baking pastry. HowExpert. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more. If you want to learn how to make pastry quickly and easily, then check out How to Make Pastry Guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn the different types of pastries, its ingredients and appropriate fillings depending on the pastry type. Learn to bake pastry at the comfort of your own home. Bake pastries quickly and easily. Learn to prepare a variety of Western-style pastries. Impress your friends to this newfound ability to bake pastry. Have your family feel that you love them by serving delicious pastry. Save time to learn the basics of baking pastries. Be able to put up a small pastry business that can give you extra income from home. Save money for preparing homemade pastries to serve when there are family gatherings or other events. Learn how to make pastry doughs and fillings. And much more. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on unique topics by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.